Hi everyone. I hope you guys are doing great. Last time we checked out our AI SQL assistant that runs the query in simple plain English and no SQL writing needed. So if you haven't seen that video, please watch it first. I will put the link in the description box. So this is the part 2 of that video. I'm excited to show new feature. Today we are adding a Streamlit with Python, so now interacting with your database feels like you're chatting with your friend. Whether you are a businessman or a non-technical guy or even a developer, this video is for you. So before jump into the demo, so we know, right? Like SQL can be confusing, especially if you are not using it on a daily basis. Business user want quick answers, but learning the joins group by isn't fun. So even developers get tired of repeating the same queries again and again. Now with this AI agent, just ask your question in simple plain English language and let AI and LLM uh, handles the rest for you. It bridges the gap between techies, non-techies, and make the data open for everyone. So now let's see the demo. So in the last video, we were providing the prompts using the terminal, and then we are getting the result on the terminal itself. So it was not that user friendly. So this time we will be using a web user interface. I hope you guys are using ChatGTP. So this user interface is quite similar to that. So you will find it very useful and engaging. So yeah, let's start the demo. So yes, so this is it. So if you see, this is the prompt now you are getting, and now I wanted to see the list of database, so I will just simply list of tables. So I will just simply say like, show me table names. Yeah, so if you see, now it is showing me the query as well as the tables in a tabular format. And this is quite good, right? And now I want to see the data for account. Show me account data. So now if you see here, our previous conversation, you can also see our previous conversation. So it's this UI is similar to ChatGTP. So you will find it very friendly because I know you guys are already using the ChatGTP. So now if you see, I asked for show me account data. It executed this query, select star from account, which is correct. And then this is the data. Okay. And here, this is one more feature. Like we already saw this feature in our previous video, like visualization. So in this one, so if the data is in that format, then we can see our data in this format. So this is quite good, right? If you want to maximize it, you can click on full screen and like that. You can minimize it. Yeah. And now if you want to download this table, so you have to just simply click on export, and you can just simply export the data. You just need to save it, and the result is successfully exported into the file. We can quickly check. Yeah, you can see, right? The data is exported successfully. So if, and also you wanted to, if sort the data like balance or like descending order, so you have that option here. Okay, so this is good. Now let's fire some other queries. I already prepared some prompts. So suppose I want to check this particular, I'll just simply paste this prompt and I will wait. Show all customers which belongs to the address Scarborough. So if you see, it executed the query, select star from customer where address is like SCAR, what we provided. It come back with the result, which is correct. So we have only one customer, so that's the reason in chart this is only showing one. So Let's go ahead and check some other prompts. Who's so now show all loans whose start date is after 1990. Yeah, so now if you see, this is showing the query which is correct, mortgage start date. Now it is showing all the result, and it is showing graph also in 2090 20, and there is no data available for these years, and then after 2022. So you can see the matrix also. Let's see, so it's really good, right? So for visualizations, it's really good. No need to add anything, like you can just simply copy paste it or save the chart and just add it into your presentation, so, or for your artifacts. So this is very good feature. Now let's try some more prompts. Show total mortgage principal for each branch. Let's see what it is showing. And the best part about this UI is, it's like see, similar to ChatGTP. So you can always scroll up and you can see the history, like what you have executed. Yeah. So meanwhile, we got our result. So this is the query for total mortgage principal for each branch. So you can see group by here with name is nothing but branch, and then couple of joins on account and branch, and we can see here total mortgage principal, which is sum. So yeah, this is correct. So this is very nice. It is saving a lot of time. Let's move on, execute some more queries. Yeah, let's check this one. Find customer name account type who have account type as saving and checking in account table. Also show account type. Let's see. Yeah, so if you see here, it is checking the saving and checking account type. It is showing account type as well as the name, because we want to find out the customer name who will who are having both the account types. This is good. This is pretty good. Let's go ahead and execute some more prompts. Yeah, this is quite big. Let's see. Calculate the percentage contribution for each branch total mortgage principal to the overall mortgage principal of the bank, order from highest to lowest, including branch detail. Yeah, so look, this is quite big query. It use couple of like aggregation function, then couple of joins, subqueries. It's good, really good. Percentage contribution, you can see if you want, like you can sort it also, descending, ascending, in whichever format you want. So you have the provision. So this is really nice. It's saving a lot of time. This is basically useful for non-technical user who don't know SQL. That's the main motto. And also for the developers, instead of writing this query, they can just simply go ahead and execute the prompt. They can verify, they can check the result, and then they can use this query in their like workflows or wherever they want. Yeah, this is really helpful. Let's execute couple of more prompts. We already tried all these prompts in our previous video, but that time we were using the terminal for interaction. So this time we are using this web interface. So now it's pretty good. Yeah, so now if you see, it's generated. Create a rolling total of mortgage principal amount by branch ordered by issue. So by branch, that's why it's done the partitioning on the branch ID, cumulative sum. So it's doing the sum from principal for each branch over a time. So yeah, look, this is very good. So writing this amount of query, will take 15 to 20 minutes, and then we will verify the data. So now we are getting the result in fraction of seconds. So definitely it's really good. So now imagine a bank manager type like show me all mortgages in Toronto, and he don't know the SQL, but just by typing this prompt he gets the instant result. Also, when it comes to data analyst, he can simply check the like query, check the number, visualize the data. For him also no SQL needed. For a developer, he can see a full query. He can copy paste that query. He can reuse it. So this is saving a lot of time, and also there is no any dependency because you are just giving a prompt in plain English language. And that's the magic. When AI comes together, it develop application something which will save everyone's time. This isn't just about saving time, it's about giving the power of data to everyone. And that's the magic of this AI agent. The barrier between you and your data just vanished. I hope you find this video interesting. Thanks for your time, guys. Yeah. Bye.